Hi, thanks so much for stopping by Sabelle Design Studio, the newly branded Sabelle Design Studio. I have a really short video for you guys this week. It's just taking you through some combinations I put together at the last minute before heading off on my vacation, which I am back from, by the way. But I did decide to make some cute little beach bags for the folks that were traveling with me. So you'll also get to see a little bit of my vacation. But I really hope you enjoy the video. Thanks again for stopping by. I will link some tutorials in the description that shows you how to make the bags that I make. Slightly different versions with different types of pockets and such, but same basic idea. And I'll be back next week with a longer video. I think I'm going to be making a couple of laptop sleeves that I have orders for. So I'll be making those too. And then we will go from there. I've got some great ideas, and I'm hoping to get some new content out for you guys. I almost forgot. It is the month of July, and since we're starting a new month, we have a new intention. The intention for the month of July is I will stay resilient and adapt to change gracefully, which I can tell you with the big change I had recently of having to move living conditions and situation and start living with my mother, it has been a huge change for me. I'm really excited. I'm really happy. Although most days I'm very tired, but it's been a great experience. I love my mom to pieces, and I'm glad that she's with me. And I'm glad that I have the honor of having her live with me in her late years. So gracefully, that is what I have to keep in mind, is specifically give myself grace, and don't be too hard on myself when I'm feeling overwhelmed or exhausted. Just listen to my body, get more sleep, drink more fluids, hydrate, and plan. I find myself writing things down quite often and making a plan of when I have to call the doctors, when I have to make appointments, and all of that. So be gentle with yourself, and let's move forward. Bags that I decided to make for my sister and friends that we're going to Cancun with. So here we are starting the month of July. And if you recall, or if you're new to my channel, you don't know, I have a mantra every year, and this year is create the life you want to live. So as a part of that, I scheduled a trip to Cancun because I want to go see a pyramid. And I can't go to Egypt right now, so I can't see an Egyptian pyramid. So I thought heading down to Mexico and seeing a Mexican pyramid is the next best thing. And we're going to be doing some pool and some beach activities, so I think we're going to have a really good time. I decided to make some beach bags for everyone, so I will link a video down below of my Let Freedom Ring beach bag tutorial. This is a similar bag. It's a tiny bit smaller, and it has a few different pockets, but generally it's the same kind of bag. So I want to take you through the fabrics that I selected for everyone. So this one here, and I'm going to have, I'll describe to you what the bag is going to have. So I cut the bag at 20 by 16, which is a tiny bit smaller than the beach bag I made in the Let Freedom Ring collection. And here the straps are 5 inches by 26 inches. These are the straps that will go with this one here. It is going to have a zipper pocket on the front, and then it will have this little standalone pocket, and I plan to put a little snap closure there because it is a beach bag. So this is number one. Hope you like that fabric. I'll show you. There's the one with there's the back side of the bag with a little standalone pocket there. This will be the lining of the bag, and this one's going to have a zipper pocket, and it's also going to have a standalone pocket there. This is the fabric I selected for myself. I fell in love with it the moment. This is the one that triggered the idea to make the bags for everyone. So these are the straps, again, 5 by 26. The bag is cut as well, 20 by 16. Has a zipper pocket in the front. It will have a smaller, tiny pocket in the back. This is kind of how I wanted it. Put a little snap closure there, just kind of big enough to toss my cell phone in there, probably. This will be the lining fabric. It will have a zipper pocket on the inside, and then this standalone pocket will go on the other side. And I plan to add a snap to the standalone pocket as well. I haven't decided if I'll split it in half, but there's a standalone pocket there. This one I think is going to be for my sister. She's a big fan of all things kind of tan and sort of bohemian kind of looking. So these are the straps, again, 5 by 26, same size straps for this one. And then this is the back panel of the bag, and it is, I'm just realizing this is slightly off a little bit, so I will straighten that out. I'll have to measure it. I did measure it, but I'm not liking the way that's looking, so I'll have to redo that one. But this is the standalone pocket in the back. Again, we'll have a snap right there. This is the zipper pocket in the front. This is the lining piece for that bag. It'll have a zipper pocket and this standalone pocket on the other side. And then the final bag is this beautiful bright hot pink and orange floral that I fell in love with. I think it's perfect for a beach bag. So straps, same size as the others. Zipper pocket on the front panel of the bag. Standalone pocket on the back side of the bag. Zipper pocket on the lining. It's going to have this orange lining with it. And then this will be a standalone pocket on the other side. So I'm not going to do a sewing tutorial. I'm not going to do a full-blown tutorial on these. I will link a couple of videos down below that will help you. I'll link my tote bag video, which is a pretty similar sort of bag. It just, the only difference is really the size and what pockets you want to put on them. But I will link that video. This is pretty much going to be my tote bag a little bit larger. I think the tote bag video is, I think that bag is 18 by 15, and this is again 20 by 16, so it's just slightly bigger. And what I think, if you're watching this video, then I did decide to make a full video. What I'm hoping to get is some of maybe some footage from down in Cancun, and include that in here, and hopefully get some shots of the bags in use. So that would be kind of cool and nice. Never done something like that before. So any other details you'd like to share with me, please leave them in the comment section. I always answer all of my comments. I love hearing from you, and I'm contemplating whether to start making some lives so that I can have some interaction and live question and answers. So thanks again for all your support. Hit that like button and turn on notifications, and hopefully you like these bags. Okay, here is the bag, the final bag that I made. I do not have the others because this is actually post-vacation, and this is the bag after about 7 days of use and abuse on the beach. I will show pictures of the other bags, but I wanted to show you what the final product ended up looking like. And I think it's actually in pretty good shape, considering that I really did abuse this bag during the week that I was in Cancun. So show you here that it did end up having a front zipper pocket, pretty wide, which stood up cell phone, wallet, money, passport. I carried my passport here at the airport. And here is the external pocket, very roomy as well, with a snap button. And then this is the inside of the bag. It does have a few stains down here from just having had wet water shoes and bathing suits. Here's the internal pocket, very useful. I carried a lot of, lip balm and my face sunblock and things like that in there. And then I had the internal pocket, carried wallet, money, valuables right in here. Again, very, very roomy there. So overall, I think the bag stood up pretty nicely. So that was kind of nice to be able to test the bag in its natural habitat. The straps were the perfect width and length. The bag was very comfortable to carry, and I was able to snap pictures of the other bags actually in use, and I will go ahead and include those here. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to link the video for my beach bag and for the tote bag, the inspirational tote bag. I'll go ahead and link that in the description, because although I didn't have a full tutorial on this, those bags are set up pretty similar to this. It's just a matter of deciding where you want the zipper pockets, where you want the internal and external pockets. And I think on both of those videos, I go over how to install the snaps here. So I hope you liked these bags, and I hope that you are inspired to make your own beach bag for this summer. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. Please go ahead and hit the like button or leave me a comment if you have any questions or any suggestions. All right, in the beginning of the year, when I started my channel, I said this year my mantra was create the life you want to live. And on my bucket list, on my list of things to do, things to experience, things to enjoy, was seeing a pyramid. And here I'm walking up. Yes, it's been a long, hot walk. Walking up to Chichen Itza in Cancun, Mexico. Absolutely amazing. Gorgeous to be in front of one of the 7 wonders of the world.